Pinterest Ads Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Pinterest ads and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Pinterest Ads is an advertising platform that allows dropshippers to promote their products directly on Pinterest's visual discovery engine. By creating promoted pins, you can reach a large, highly engaged audience interested in discovering new products and trends. Pinterest Ads is particularly effective for driving traffic to your e-commerce store and boosting sales for products that have strong visual appeal. Who is it for? Pinterest Ads is perfect for dropshippers who sell visually appealing products like fashion, home decor, beauty, or DIY items. If your products are image-centric and have high potential for organic discovery, Pinterest Ads can help you reach people in the planning and decision-making stages of their buying journey. Key features include promoted pins, audience targeting, shopping ads, conversion tracking, and campaign optimization tools. Now, the strengths. One of the main strengths of Pinterest Ads is the platform's unique user behavior. Users come to Pinterest to discover and plan for future purchases, making them more likely to engage with ads. The visual nature of Pinterest allows for creative, eye-catching ads that drive higher engagement rates. Pinterest Ads offers excellent targeting options, including interests, demographics, keywords, and even engagement history. Additionally, the platform's shopping ads feature allows you to create ads that showcase products with pricing, availability, and direct links to your store, making it easier for potential customers to buy. The ability to track conversions and optimize campaigns in real time is another key benefit. Weaknesses? Pinterest Ads doesn't handle product sourcing, order fulfillment, or inventory management. It's strictly an advertising tool. While Pinterest has a highly engaged audience, its user base is smaller than other platforms like Facebook or Instagram, which may limit your reach depending on your niche. Additionally, running successful Pinterest ads requires a good understanding of the platform's best practices for pin creation and targeting. Beginners may face a learning curve when it comes to setting up and optimizing campaigns. Final verdict. Pinterest Ads is a great advertising tool for dropshippers with visually appealing products looking to increase brand visibility and drive targeted traffic. However, it's not a complete dropshipping solution. If you need product sourcing or fulfillment tools, check the links in the description for better alternatives. If your goal is to tap into the power of visual marketing and reach a highly engaged audience, Pinterest Ads is worth considering.